Now, if you're a plumber, you already know about these type systems. This is the newest, the latest, and the greatest one out there that you need to know about. If you're a DIYer and you think, you know what, I can install that myself, man, that is great. No problem at all. But make sure you're selling the best systems available. And if you're a homeowner, when you talk to your plumber, make sure you know what system it is that you want, that you need to take care of the water in your house. Not just the water in your house, but it's protecting your plumbing. It's protecting your fixtures. I truthfully think the Halo Hybrid is the best combination system out there. And this video is sponsored by Halo. So if you want to learn more about it, check out the link in the description or go to halowater.com. This water fix is a no-brainer and plumbers swear by it. Now, most people have no clue what's coming out of their tap and what's going into their system, their home, their appliances, everything at all. The water coming in affects everything. If your water stinks, it tastes off or anything at all like that, or if it's wrecking your appliances, this might be the best fix you've ever heard of. Now, if you don't know me, I'm Roger Wakefield, and today I'm breaking down the system that's cleaning up water across the country. And yes, this is the real plumber's choice. Now, let's talk about the Halo Hybrid, a full house filtration and softening system that gives you cleaner, better water from every outlet in your house. Imagine taking a shower in bottled water. That's what it's like. You ever notice the spots on your dishes? That nasty film on your shower door? Or your skin just feels really, really dry? No matter what kind of soap you use. Now that's hard water, and it's only half of the problem. The Halo Hybrid doesn't just soften the water, it also filters it. That means no more junk flowing through your pipes into your coffee, coating the inside of your appliances, your water lines all throughout your house, eating up the rubber in your toilets, your ice maker, your washing machine, doing everything that these chemicals do that damages the system. This is not like your grandmother's water softener. The Halo Hybrid combines high-capacity carbon filtration, multimedia filtration, and ion exchange softening in one powerful system. The things that I love about the Halo system are that it removes chlorine, chloramines, VOCs, and heavy metals. Now, it also improves the taste, the smell, and the clarity of water. It extends the life of your plumbing and appliances all throughout your house and gives you whole home coverage. Your kitchen, your showers, your washing machine, every bit of it. Your water heater. What if you could make your water heater last longer by installing a system like this? As a plumber, I've installed and serviced every cheap softener out there, every overpriced filter system that needs constant babysitting and work, and systems that the company owners would not even stand behind. That's what I love about Halo. The Halo is built to last. It's made in the USA and it's backed by a 10-year warranty. You install it once and it just works. And for homeowners, it's your best peace of mind that the water's not destroying your home from the inside out. Now, when we started this install, we pre-piped everything because we knew exactly where we needed it. So now let's back up and show you how easy it was to install this thing and how simple the startup was. Guys, that is worth everything. I'm always careful opening these up. You never know what you're going to find in. But I've got a 3-valve bypass. I've got the water main that comes in and goes into the house. But what I've got here is where we go up to the existing filter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the first valve going through the filter. Now I'm opening up the water main into the house. And then I'm going to close the outlet side. Now, we do this for a reason. This is how I installed it, knowing that if I needed to turn the water off to work on the filter, to change the filter, to do anything, the filter is easy to do. I can literally work on it right now and still feed the entire water to the house. That way, if I'm doing laundry, the ice maker, anything at all that needs to run can still run. So this is great, and it's why we built it the way we did. All right, so what I've actually done is literally I left the bypass valve on the system. And the other thing too, and I checked this before I hooked everything up, the inlet and the outlet are the same as they were on the other system. So really all I've got to do now to hook up the filtration part is hook the drain back up and tie it in. Then right here's where my softener plugs in, get it tied in, and I'll be ready to go. Okay, so we've got the drains, we've got everything hooked up here. Now it's time to put the salt in. Now, you notice the salt that we're using is the yellow salt. Saltwater pellets for water softeners. Don't buy the blue bags, don't buy the solar pellets. That's not what you want. All right, so we got 3 gallons of water here. We're going to pour it into the brine tank. Now is turning water back onto the system. Now I'm not going to turn it on to the house yet. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on here. That way I've got water going into my system. Okay, so now we're plugging it in. And when you plug it in, you're going to get 12 o'clock p.m. flashing. All right, so I'm going to crack the water onto the system. And you hear it there slowly filling. So now my system's fully pressurized. So now I'm going to press and hold the regen button for 3 seconds until I hear that motor run. Then I'm going to let go. Then it should light up and say backwash for me. So let's go 3 seconds. So now I've got water going to drain. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to let this water run until it gets clear. Because once it gets clear, then I know I've purged out the system, I've cleaned everything up, I've flushed it out, everything's good to go. Okay, so we've let it run for about 5 minutes. I know it just shows about 7 seconds here, but what we did is go outside, run everything till the drain water was clear. It looks really good. All right, so now we're gonna do a 5 regen restart, I guess. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. Okay, there's 4. And did you hear how the noise just got quieter? What that is, you had a lot of air coming out there. Let's do it one more time. Now that shut everything down. Now, you heard the noise change. The valve shut. Right before it shut, though, while the water was still running, it sounded like all the air went out. Now, the air is going to be very turbulent. It's going to make that water jump and things like that. Right now, it seems to be doing pretty good. So once we figured out the hardness, now we figured out the iron ratio. So we're going to set this at 9 grains hardness. Now that I've got everything installed, everything flushed, everything set up and ready to roll, time set, system set, we're good. I'm going to come in here and actually turn the water back onto the filtration system and close my bypass. So now we've got everything going through the filter, through the softener. Now we have good, clean, filtered water. This is like showering in bottled water each and every day. If you want to protect your family, you want to protect your investment, your home, check out the Halo Hybrid. And we'll put the link down in the description. So guys, you've seen how easy this is to do. If you're a plumber, tell me, do you offer these services to your customers? Because this is a whole new level of water quality that everybody can afford. This isn't just for the rich and famous anymore. This is quality water. If you're a DIY or a homeowner, is this something that you think you could do for your house? Anyway, do me a favor, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this. Do you install it? Do you love that beautiful silky feeling you get? Or do you just like the filtration systems? Either way you go, I think this hybrid system from Halo is an amazing product. Guys, before you get started on this install, go to halowater.com and check the box that says what's in your water. Put in your zip code and it'll give you the water quality report from your municipality. You're going to need to know the hardness and how much iron in it to get this thing done right. And if there's someone that you know has water problems in their house and they need to see a video like this, please make sure to share it with them. Until next time, keep learning, keep plumbing, and take care of your system.